Well, it's all you kids out there that hate your mom and pop forcing you to eat everything that's on your dinner plate every night. Yeah, when I was a little kid, see, I never liked to eat. And Mom would put things on my plate and I'd dump them on her feet. But then one day she made this soup, I ate it all in bed. I asked her what she put in it, and well, this is what she said. Oh, chicken lips and lizard hips and alligator eyes. Yeah, monkey legs and buzzard eggs and salamander thighs. Well, rabbit ears and camel rears and tasty toenail pies. Stir them all together and it's Mama's soup surprise. Well, now I went into the bathroom and I stood beside the sink. I said, I'm feeling slightly ill and I think I'd like a drink. Mama said, just the thing, I'll get it in a wink. It's full of lots of protein and vitamins, I think. It was chicken lips and lizard hips and alligator eyes. Yeah, monkey legs and buzzard eggs and salamander thighs. Rabbit ears and camel rears and tasty toenail pies. Stir them all together, it's Mama's soup surprise.
You see the way they turn their heads? Could you watch the airplane?
No,
And they got all excited about it. I guess because it's like similar to a hawk.
Huh.
So they were watching the airplane pass over and then making these like worried noises.
Where are they?
Oh look, it's showing us feathers.
Yeah.
There, that's my Tommy. That's my Tommy.
Can you tell which one's the male here?
Now there's another plane they're looking at. Yep.